Hey guys, it's Britt. Today I'm here to share some open thoughts about hypocrisy and a few other things. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Hey guys, I'm going to take these little masks off. This is a different space for me to be filming in, but I sort of like sitting at my little desk. I never really use it aside from, as of lately when I did my live last night. So I do like it. So we're going to try this for today's video. I don't know if it will turn out good, but let's be honest, my tutorials are not really for professional teaching. It's more or less for me to just talk to you guys. So hopefully that's cool, but we're gonna do a little look. I need to film another video after this. So how are you guys today? Hopefully you're good. I don't know when this video is going up. It might be Sunday, it might be Monday. If it is Monday, I hope that you're having a good start to your week. So I just got this little palette from Sephora, the Clean Bouncy eyeshadow palette. These are all, they're sort of like ColourPop Super Shock sort of formula. They are not true cream in my opinion, but they do sort of dent in if you press them really hard. I've only used this a couple times since I bought it, but I do like it. You guys know I like really easy eyeshadow stuff. Like, I'm not super complicated. Give me something with a little shimmer and I'm off to the races. So I have something to say. I need to rant for just a second. Now, y'all know I made my video about Crystal Ball and how I feel about her, but there have been some things brought to my attention that I feel like I want to talk about for a little bit, and I am not too happy about them. You know, this girl is the mean girl of YouTube. She is so miserable with her own life that she has nothing better to do than to try to cause trouble for other people. Evidently, a few days ago, she was on a live stream that has now been deleted, and she was telling people to report, I believe it was Lil Red's video. You know, just because someone has a voice and has an opinion about you does not mean that you can just report them and sue them. And that's what I really don't understand is, like, who gave her the idea that she can just threaten lawsuits all the time? If you're putting yourself on a public platform like YouTube, people are going to have a right to have an opinion. And especially once you gain some subscribers, people are going to know who you are at that point. Like, you are a public figure. And I just don't understand. I've literally never heard of someone threaten lawsuits the way that she does. I really cannot wrap my arms around why she thinks this is normal or why she thinks it's okay. And I've come to the point where I'm convinced that she does not have an attorney. This is just something that she threatens just to try to bully people. And if there's one thing that I fucking hate, it is bullies. I don't like bullies. I was, you guys, some of you might know about my experience in high school. My experience in high school was not a good one. You know, kids were not super nice to me and, whatever. I'm telling you that to say that I think because of what I went through when I was younger, it's made me look at bullies and people who bully people in a completely different manner. I just could not imagine someone having an opinion about me and then me sending, instead of fighting my own battles or addressing it myself, sending my subscribers to go mass report a channel. And on top of it, that is against YouTube's terms of service. Karen thinks that she knows YouTube's terms of service so well that she can just go and tell her subscribers to mass report a video or mass report a channel. No, no ma'am, that is not how it works. You are incorrect, and the fact that you are telling your subscribers to go mass report this video, that is against the terms of service. And I'll be really honest with you guys, initially I would see all these videos that other creators would make about her, and sometimes I was like, you know what, maybe they're just picking it apart a little too much, maybe they're focusing a little too much on her. But now I'm convinced that that is not the case at all. I think that people should focus on what she's doing because it's wrong. And it's not right that smaller creators feel like they cannot have a voice and cannot have an opinion just because this individual has more subscribers than they do. And allegedly it's a conspiracy. There's, you know, no facts to back this up. But I've heard that that number that's over 100,000 might not even be real people. But I would feel like an absolute clown if I sent my subscribers to go do something like that. I just don't understand how you can logically say, if so-and-so is doing XYZ, go and report their channel, go report the video. Why not just let it ride out? Let people have a voice. Like, who cares? You know, it's kind of like the whole Jeffree Star thing. He is the most unbothered, bothered person on YouTube. Consistently acts like he doesn't care about people's opinions, can't relate, all of this kind of hoopla. But he is bothered. And I think that there is a certain level of power in someone who allows people to talk and ignores it. You know, unless they are coming for, you know, there are certain things that are off limits, and I agree with that. If you have a problem with someone, you shouldn't be talking about their family or, you know, whatever. Talk about the person, not people related to them. But there is a certain amount of power where you just let people have an opinion. At the end of the day, this is the internet. It's like people who leave nasty comments on my other videos about Karen. I'm never going to meet these people in my life. I don't care. Like, so unless you're coming in, like I said, completely annihilating my character or cussing me out and not being constructive at all, you know, have your opinion. That's fine. Because I don't know you and you don't know me, and we will never meet each other in real life. But I don't know, you know, I think that a lot of people are just so unhappy with themselves that they don't know how to let things roll off their back. And all that they can do is feed into the toxicity, because that is what they know and what they love. But when you're consistently feeding into that kind of stuff, it's really just giving people something to laugh at. It's one thing to maybe address it once, maybe even twice, but if you are consistently going back to the same things, then, you know, the trolls are winning. And maybe everyone doesn't look at it that way, but that's how I see it. I think one of the things that really confuses me about the people that watch Karen, and just refuse to see all of her nonsense is like, how do these people not just take a step back and see the pure hypocrisy that is her and her channel? How do they not see that? I don't know. Maybe it, you know, a part of me says, oh, well, it, you know, it doesn't really matter. But then a large part of me is like, yes, it does matter, because when you have someone like that who is trying to take small creators down, it is a problem. I can do and say whatever I want, and no one else is allowed to have an opinion about me. That is a Karen to a T. You know, one of the crazy things that she said once too, she called BX Beast Boy a direct competitor of hers. Like, are you kidding me? Are we selling, you know, stoves, microwaves, or are we commentary channels? Because last time I checked, commentary channels are, you know, you have free reign. Like, we're not here selling, you know, Apple versus Microsoft. She's just so ignorant with so many of the things that she says. I don't understand how anyone takes her, even her commentary, for face value. All right, for my lips, I'm going to do this a little out of order. The Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Ice. This is basically just a clear gloss on me. The pure hypocrisy. It's unbelievable. Oh, dang it. I grabbed the wrong lip balm. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of Urban Decay Nighthawk. And then the Sephora Tinted Lip Balm in Time to Party. This is the one that has more of like the hot pink and purple iridescent. Okay, I completely forgot to get my brow gel, so let me get that and then we'll be done. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, you know, subscribe to who you want to. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you are not someone that subscribes to Karen. But I just think the hypocrisy of it all is ridiculous. Like, you know, I'm no longer viewing her videos, but I do hear about things that she does because I made my video and people talk to me and DM me and send me links and stuff. So it's whatever. But I just think that it's a very dangerous way to run a channel, by being a hypocrite and someone who sends your subscribers after other channels just because they have an opinion about you. Take the power back and ignore it. You don't need to go on Twitter rants. And I know some people came to my video and tried to blame her rants on drinking and alcohol. Drinking alcohol is not an excuse to be an asshole or to be a tyrant or to be bratty or whatever. And if you do have a problem when you're drinking alcohol, then put your phone away. When it's time for you to open your bottle of wine, put your phone, turn it off and put it in your bedroom, or, you know, have your husband hide it from you if it's that serious, or don't drink. You know, there's one of two ways that you can handle being toxic when you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs or whatever your problem is. So that's not an excuse. But, you know, I do not plan on talking about her very often, but if there are things that I feel like are wrong, I will discuss them on my channel, because this is my channel and I will always do what I think is right. And if calling out mean girls is the thing that I feel like is right that day, then that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to hone in on every single little aspect, because I don't think that I would ever want to waste my time doing that for anyone. especially Karen. I have better content to film than, you know, worrying about what she's doing or who she's harassing, you know, this day. So anyway, I think that slowly but surely her subscribers will start waking up, and I think that her growth on YouTube will be plateaued and possibly decline because of the way that she's handled, you know, every situation basically. So anyway, those are just sort of some open thoughts. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave me a like and a comment. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, please subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.